Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful, healthy and wholesome drink which is a protein-rich Sattu drink. Now this is going to keep you very active and energetic throughout the day. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe I've taken 20 almonds, that is badam, and I've soaked it in water and removed the skin. First we're going to grind the Sattu, that is the roasted whole chana dal, and the almonds together. I'm adding half cup of Sattu, which is the roasted gram. I've added about 20 soaked almonds. Grind these ingredients to a nice fine powder. So here's a quick tip for you. If you don't have time to grind this, you can grind it in batches and put it in a nice airtight container or bottle and store it in the refrigerator, and you can make this drink whenever you want. To a blender, I've added 1 large ripe banana that I've sliced thinly. Next I'm adding 4 pitted dates. To this I'm going to add the ground Sattu and almond powder. To this I'm adding about 1.5 cups of boiled and cooled milk. I'm adding extra milk to get the right consistency for the drink. I'm adding another 1 cup. So our beautiful protein-rich Sattu drink is ready. Garnish with a few slices of banana and some chopped pistachios and almonds before serving. So as you can see, it's a very simple and easy drink that you can make anytime. And of course loaded with a lot of protein. Let me try this now. Oh my god, that tastes incredible. It's got all the flavors of the banana, the dates, and of course the Sattu. So as you can see, this is a great, healthy, protein-rich drink that you guys must try. So do try it and let me know how it turned out for you guys, and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.